Ready to take your PS5 gaming experience to the next level? In 2026, the best TVs for PS5 offer incredible visuals, ultra-low latency, and features that enhance every gaming session. Whether you're looking for stunning graphics, fast response time, or immersive sound, these TVs are built to maximize your gaming experience. Let's dive into the top choices for PS5 gamers this year. The Sony BRAVIA 8 II is designed with PS5 gamers in mind, offering excellent 4K visuals with exceptional clarity and brightness. Its HDMI 2.1 support ensures you're getting the most out of your PS5 with 120Hz refresh rate capabilities and ultra-low input lag. The integration with PlayStation's exclusive features like Auto HDR, tone mapping, and auto-genre picture mode makes it an ideal choice for console gamers. The BRAVIA 8 II also delivers fantastic sound quality with Dolby Atmos support, adding to the immersive experience. If you're looking for a TV that seamlessly integrates with your PS5 and offers top-tier performance, this is one to consider. Check the description below for more details and pricing. The LG 65-inch Class OLED Evo A takes your PS5 gaming to another level with OLED perfection. The infinite contrast and deep blacks make it a dream for gamers who want rich, detailed visuals. The OLED Evo technology delivers brighter images with improved color accuracy, making every game feel more immersive. With support for HDMI 2.1, this TV offers 120Hz refresh rate, ultra-low latency, and NVIDIA G-Sync, ensuring a smooth and lag-free gaming experience. The built-in AI optimizes your picture settings automatically based on the content, meaning you get the best picture without lifting a finger. If you want unrivaled picture quality for your PS5, this OLED TV is an excellent pick. For pricing and more info, check the links below. The Samsung Class OLED S95F is one of the brightest OLED TVs out there, designed for gamers who want maximum contrast and vibrant colors. With 4K resolution and support for HDMI 2.1, it ensures you get smooth gameplay at 120Hz with minimal input lag. Its OLED panel delivers perfect blacks and exceptional viewing angles, so you can enjoy every detail of your game. Plus, its game mode is optimized for ultra-fast response time, ensuring every move and shot is as quick as you need it to be. The S95F also features a sleek design that'll fit perfectly in any living room. If you want a TV that offers cinematic picture quality and gaming excellence, the Samsung S95F is a top choice. Check the description for more details and pricing. The Samsung 65-inch OLED 4K S90F is another incredible option for PS5 gamers. This TV offers stunning 4K OLED visuals, delivering bright, sharp images with perfect blacks and exceptional contrast. The 120Hz refresh rate, HDMI 2.1 support, and low input lag ensure you get a buttery smooth gaming experience, perfect for high-speed action games. With quantum dot technology, the S90F enhances color accuracy and brightness, making it ideal for HDR content. The slim design and minimalist aesthetic ensure that it'll blend seamlessly with your living room decor. If you want a high-quality OLED TV for PS5 gaming, the Samsung S90F is an excellent pick. More details and pricing are in the description below. Another solid contender from LG, the 65-inch Class OLED Evo AI is built for immersive gaming. With deep blacks and vibrant colors, this TV offers some of the best visuals for PS5. The OLED Evo technology ensures that you get brighter images with improved detail, making your games pop with life. HDMI 2.1 support means you'll experience 4K at 120Hz, delivering smooth and responsive gaming. With low input lag and a game optimizer feature, you can easily fine-tune your settings for the best gaming experience possible. If you're looking for one of the best OLED TVs for PS5, this LG model is hard to beat. Check out the description for pricing and more details. Whether you're upgrading your setup or looking for the perfect TV to enhance your PS5 gaming experience, these 2026 models are built to deliver. With stunning visuals, ultra-low latency, and high refresh rates, these TVs will take your gaming sessions to new heights. Check the links in the description below for more information and pricing. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.